All right, well, last night we tried a really simple solder procedure. I put a little number 2 draw knob back onto a crook. Tonight we're going to try something a little trickier. I was taking this trombone apart and the water key has failed. So you notice that this little tube part is no longer in there. And so we're going to correct that. You notice I got my jig set up right here. And now the fun part about this is you want to make sure that this is oriented before you solder it. And so I'm going to see if I can get this into focus. There we go. Just going to put this guy right about there. And I'm going to grab something to just lean against him so he holds position like a good little soldier. Dot of acid flux. Make sure that that is where I want it to be, because once it's there, it's there. I guess I could unsolder it and do it again, but I don't want to. There we go. Now the fun part about this is all this is soft soldered on there, and so if I overheat it, that flange there that connects it to the crook is going to fall off. And then I will be in a deep world of doo-doo. I think I got it. Yep, that looks good. It's on there. And I'm going to spray it real quick just so I don't disturb everything in the world. Should be good to go. I'm just going to put a spring on there and it's all set. Thanks for watching.